Welcome to my kitchen today where I'm going to be cooking just a quick little dish, a sausage and cabbage casserole. And it's got so much more in it than that. Take a look. Can't you just smell it? Let's see what our ingredients are going to be. So we're using some onions, some cabbage, sausage, potatoes, carrots. We have some frozen kernel corn, and I have some bell pepper that I had in my freezer. I always chop them up. I have orange, green, yellow, and red bell peppers. So let's see what we're going to do with that. I have my Dutch oven, and I put some coconut oil down in the bottom, and now I'm getting my cabbage in. So I'm coming right back over the top of that with my potato. Mm. Now I'm going to put in that bell pepper. Now I like quite a bit, so I'm going to put in quite a bit. You put in what you like in your casserole. So I'm coming right back over the top of this with some carrots. Really good. Okay, so I have some sea salt here, and I'm just going to sprinkle the top. Now, you put whatever amount of seasoning you want to put in, because remember, you got these potatoes and cabbage. They're going to really absorb a lot of that seasoning. I probably need a little bit more salt. This is black pepper, and I love the pepper, baby. And this is going to be good. I'm putting some garlic powder over this, and you can put in fresh garlic or powdered garlic or no garlic, whatever. It's your ball game. It's whatever you want to do. I've got some slivered onions here, and I'm going to put them right on top of this casserole, this Dutch oven. And this is frozen kernel corn, and I've got this to go on top. You could use the ear of corn if you'd like. And finally, my sausages. Now, these are beef sausages, and they're really good. And I've cut them up, and I'm going to put them right on top. You see how full my Dutch oven has gotten? That's just the way I want it. Not too much, just right. I'm going to put in about a half a cup of water. Just want enough to let this stuff begin to steam. I'm covering it up, and it's going to go into a 350-degree oven, and I'm going to keep it there for about 25 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to just bring everything from the bottom to the top and kind of reposition it and kind of stir it around. See, I told you. I told you so. It's out of the oven now. It has been in for about 25 minutes. And look at that. Oh, can't you see how it's just begun to cook? It's not done yet, but I'm just taking this wooden spatula and I am sort of repositioning all the food. I'm sort of letting everybody get reacquainted with the other people that they didn't meet before. See what I'm talking about? Okay, you go over to that side and you go to this side and you talk to Sister Mary and you go over there and you talk to, yeah, okay, y'all get the point. hmm Just give it a real good mix. Now, at this point, you can taste it if you'd like and season it a little more if it doesn't have all the seasonings in that you want it to have. So I'm going to put it back into my oven of 350 degrees. I'm going to let it stay for about 30 more minutes. And I got it out, and here we go. Look at Miss Cookie. Oh, my God. That was easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Look how good that looks. Do you see the beautiful sausages? Mm. Oh, looking good. Oh, somebody has made a plate. Oh man, oh man. Yeah, well, somebody's gonna have to taste this. Somebody needs to taste it. You see, I sprinkled a little bit of paprika on top, and I made a little cornbread, very thin. Ah, uh-oh, come back here. You're not gonna get away. Mm, your little succulent piece of cabbage. Mm. Let's see, what will I do first? Carrot? Mm-hmm. Cabbage. 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 Cabbage, baby. It keeps dropping. Why you keep running away from me? Don't you worry, me, so I'll get it. I'm not gonna let one bit of this get away. So good. Look at it. Mm. Ooh, 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 mm. This is good. The potato is soft, and the sausages are just so good. And they have mm, they're excreting a little oil. Look at that. Oh, mm, oof. This is good. Lord, this is good. I don't know what else to tell you. I'm going to get a little bite of this cornbread. See what it tastes like. Of course, it's good. I have a cornbread recipe right on this channel. A few of them, in fact. Go take a look if you want to know how to make some really good cornbread. This is good. Oh, this gets my seal of approval. Guys, I want to thank you for coming by my channel to see what I was cooking today. You knew I'd be throwing down. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share them wherever you're active on social media. Give me a big old thumbs up and comment because I love interacting with you. I thank you again. Remember, I love you. I appreciate you so much more than you ever know. Bye-bye.